Hello my friends, today I'm gonna install the speed pinion on the RX12 and also do two wonderful mods. A magnetic connector for the lights and a must needed dust cover because this car is a rock hitter. So let's put you on the bench and see how it was done, and then we'll speed run it with a new pinion. So I've made two mods to this. I installed magnetic connectors, I cut the wires. I had to order one with 3 wires and one with 2. And on the shell I have the other side. Now it's much easier to connect. Just simple as that. Right? It's awesome. This mod is awesome because this would bug me a little bit. And as you can see, they pass through here. And in the rear, right? So it's tidy up. And now when we want to work on the car or change the battery, it's this easy to install and remove it. Links for this in the description. Also, the other mod I've done, because this will get full of rocks inside, I bought this mesh cover. It's pretty easy to install. You just glue the Velcro to the side. You have to clean the plastic with alcohol so it grabs well, both sides. You see how easy it is to disconnect it now? It's pretty awesome. Link for the dust cover, of course, in the description, and you'll have down there some coupon codes for AliExpress. All of these I got from AliExpress. Like so. And now with this magnetic connector, it's just a matter putting it like so, and we're done. So, 2 changes I've made to the dust cover. To make it easier to close and open the shell, you better put the Velcro in here, inside the side piece, right? Like that. And then in here I put it on the outside. This will make it much easier to close and open. In the rear you put a little bit also in this part here on the back, where is the case for the rear differential. Alright, so you can keep it in place. Okay, now I'm gonna just test 2 lights to see if they work the same. Oops, wrong button. Yeah, left, right, rear, brake lights, left, right. All's good. Now let's try the exhaust. Yeah, all works the same. Very nice. Now to install the speed pinion, you'll have to remove these 4 screws, so you can remove this side cover. The first screw is longer, don't mess them. After you remove this, you'll go for this screw here on top of the differential cover, like so. Now you'll have to remove these two ones here. It has one washer on each one. And then you just pull the motor. I'm gonna remove the heatsink to make things easier. You'll have to remove the motor cables. Now you'll have to remove the one side where you have the slot on the motor mount. Only this side is needed to remove. As I've done this on the BX12 and it's the same deal, go check this video if you want to know in detail how to install the pinion. Alright? So let's fast forward this, not to bother you. Alright, new pinion is in. Now we'll have to mesh the gears. Go watch that video to know how to do it. I just want to add one thing. On the mesh and pinion install video, the other one, I used blue thread lock. You should use red. On pinions, you should use red thread lock. And when you want to remove it, you always use the soldering iron, right? And forget, red thread lock. It makes this rocking sound. This is perfectly normal. I think the mesh is good. Alright. We're good. Just for good measure, let's test it. Yeah, it's going the right way. Yeah, it looks much faster. We'll see how much kilometers an hour it will give us. I bet around 80, just like the BX12. We'll see. See you at the track. Let's see if I can make a good pass. Full throttle. Let's check the speed. Yeah, I need two hands. Top speed. .4 BX12 was faster with the same motor and the same pinion. Not sure why. Maybe because it has bigger wheels, probably. Alright, so that's the top speed, 63.4. Now let's drift it and have some fun to spend the battery. Let's turn on the gyro. Ooh. This jump at high speed is not perfect. Oops. Too much speed. Ooh, the jump is crazy. Ooh. With this pinion, it's nuts. Of course, you can put it at 75%. Oh yeah. Yeah, it always stays on its wheels. Seems like. Oops. Yes, always on its wheels, which is great because we don't have no walk-up shame to do. Nice. Ooh. That was bad. Have to be gentle on the steering. Yeah, this car is very durable, as you can see. And I do like that, because I tend to do crazy stuff. Oops. Yeah, we have some hole in the road here. Let's see what happens. Ooh, very nice jump, but we can't be going too fast. First time it didn't land on its wheels, it's on its side. Yeah, this hole in the road is not too safe. Oh, nice. If you don't go full throttle, it does do a nice jump. Oh my god. The shell is taking it, thankfully, because they are not cheap. Yeah, let's quit this crazy jump. Battery is running low. Yeah, we're gonna have a low cut. Low cut. Yeah, that was fun, my friends. Very nice. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Thank you very much for your company, your support. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.